Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on PS5. First, head to the PlayStation Store and download Fall Guys, which is available for free. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is connected to a reliable internet source for smooth gameplay. Once installed, launch the game and either create a new Epic Games account or log in to an existing one. This account links your progress across platforms, so you won't lose your hard-earned kudos or crowns. You'll be ready to jump into the Blunderdome in no time. Now, let's cover the basic controls. Use the left analog stick to navigate your bean through the chaotic courses. The X button is for jumping, which is crucial for clearing gaps and obstacles. For an extra boost or to recover from a stumble, press the square button to dive. And don't forget the R2 button. It allows you to grab onto ledges, objects, or even other players, which can be a strategic move in certain rounds. Practice these moves to become a true Fall Guys champion. Fall Guys offers a variety of exciting game modes to keep things fresh. You can jump into solos for a classic free-for-all, team up with a friend in duos, or join a larger group in squads. As you play and perform well, you'll earn kudos, the in-game currency, and the coveted crowns. These rewards allow you to unlock and purchase a wide array of customization options, from hilarious costumes to expressive celebration emotes. Personalize your bean and stand out from the crowd. To truly excel in Fall Guys, consider learning some advanced strategies. Many maps have hidden shortcuts or optimal routes that can give you a significant edge over other players. Mastering the timing of your dives and grabs can also be a game changer, especially in competitive rounds. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other great deals. Join the vibrant Fall Guys community online for tips and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.